Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. Today we'll be learning how to bead this luxury Igbo blouse for a traditional marriage or engagement. So the material we'll be using is fishing line, stud bead, plastic bead, beading needle. Let's go into the tutorial properly. So before you start beading, you have to have a clean base, and we did two pieces, skirt and blouse. Our bride doesn't really want her judge to be cut, so we came up with this idea of using a plain fabric to achieve this look, and it really came out very well. So we had a clean base before beading on our bride clothes. So we used plastic bead, stud, and cup chain to achieve this look. So let's go into the tutorial properly. As you can see, the bead is really blinking due to the fact that we have a mixture of a stud bead, plastic bead, and some fabric placement from her madame blouse um, clothes. So to achieve this look, you just have to be patient while doing it, because beading work is one thing that requires a lot of patience, perseverance, and practice. Just have to learn all this and make sure you are doing them with the pure love you have for creativity. And to get this done, you just have to pass your needle in between the stud bead. The stud beads have these tiny holes underneath it, so you just have to pass it and tightening it so as to make it sit proper. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you get to learn more of craft work, sewing tips, and DIY. So let's go back to the tutorial properly. So I have to repeat this same process to achieve this. And beading is one thing that really comes out nice when you take your time to bead. And sometimes some projects take 2 to 3 days or more than a week to achieve it, depending on the kind of project you are working on. Like this particular project took me actually 3 days with the help of my colleague to achieve this beautiful look, due to the fact that the bride wanted it urgently, and we just have to put hands together and achieve this fabulous look. So there are different patterns and method of beading. So this particular beading we are doing is a clustered bead, and the bead is really coming out really nice. It's clustered in the sense that there's no space, like no spacing between the breast area, the posterior areas of the cloth, and is actually popping out really nice. It depends on the kind of project that you're working with. Sometimes you just really need to draw your pattern on your project to achieve what you really want it to look like at the end of the project. So this project, we actually wanted it to have this clustered effect with the mix and vibe of this um, stud beads popping out, so as to make it more beautiful. So the plastic beads are there. They actually tone down the effect of the stud bead, but the combination is actually unique, and is unique in the sense that it's not too loud, it's not too sharp. It was is just blending to the cloth, and is really unique after we finish beading it. So you just have to repeat the same process to achieve this, and you just have to be careful, because sometimes our fishing line can tangle in between the lines, and is really discouraging, especially when you don't want to cut it the fishing line. You just want to have a smooth beading, but sometimes the fishing line will just get tangled in between the beads. But you just have to endure and do the right thing, the next right thing, and make sure that your work is really looking neat, fabulous, and nice. So one of the advantages of beading your clothes is uniqueness. It has this fine uniqueness that it's it's is actually unique on its own, and it makes the clothes to really look nice, even looks very original, like a detailed original way of defining um a garment. It makes a garment to look outstanding and giving. So you just have to make sure that you patiently know how to do beading, like a step-by-step tutorial on how to do your bead work to actually come out nice and neat. And more especially, you need to be very, very patient and make sure you have a music right beside you while doing any beading project, because you just have to fill your mind with creative thoughts and engage your sense of thinking, channel the energy to the right source. That's why I'll recommend a good music in the background while you are beading your clothing, to keep your mind and soul together and to actually help you have a smooth beading project. So beading is a very good way of designing, decorating, what have you, what's the best word to qualify the art of beading? Just a creative way of showing your art of creativity and your sense of creativity. And this project actually came out really nice, and I actually like the way it's looking, and even the bride too loves the way the outcome of her dress, and she really loves it so much. It's really encouraging when you have a satisfied client. It makes it makes one to be happy after um satisfying a customer, and the like her expression made me feel very, very happy when she tested her clothes, and the outcome was really looking nice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and follow us on our YouTube channel for more creative ideas and DIY ideas too. And the video is gradually coming to the end, and thank you for watching. And this is the final look. Is really looking so beautiful. Don't forget to check out our channel on how to make this luxury bridal bead on her neck. You really like it, and thank you for watching, and thank you to our returning subscribers too. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Any question will be answered. Thank you. Bye.